To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us see about the different heads of income. In income tax, the act, there are 5 different heads of income. So those 5 different heads of income are, the first one is income from salaries. So whatever the salary you receive, so that falls under this income from salary head. Second one is income from house property and profit and gains from business and profession, the capital gains, then income from other sources, which doesn't fall under this particular 4 heads, will come under this 5th head, that is income from other sources. Let us see what kind of incomes are considered in each of these particular heads. First one is income from salary. Now, so how it is considered? Now, what do we consider as a salary? So, salary is what? Salary is a amount or a remuneration given from employer to employee, means it is the amount paid by employer to employee. So first thing is that there should be existence of employer and employee relationship. So employer and employee relationship between the payer and payee. Here, who is payer? The employer is the payer and employee is the payee. So there should be payer and payee relationship. Then whatever the amount received from payer to payee is considered as salary. So if this relationship does not exist, so if there is no relationship between the payer and payee, then it is not considered as income from salary. So if the amount is not received from an employer to employee or payer to payee, then that particular amount cannot be considered as salary, so it will not fall under income from salaries head. Next is income from house property. So it is taxed on notional basis, means estimated. So it is based on the estimation the tax has been levied. So that is the first point. Second, in this particular tax liability, you can have various deductions. That is standard deduction and home loan interest. Means if you have taken any home loans to build particular household property, if you had taken any home loan and you are paying the interest on loan, then you can have certain deduction in the amount of tax which you might have to pay, because you are having the liability to pay even loan interest also. So the tax authorities will give certain deductions. This is income from house property. Next is profit and loss from business or profession. So any profit or loss you have gained from the trade or from manufacture of goods and services or commerce, like all activities related to commerce field. So income earned from all these particular field, or areas is considered under this particular head, that is profit and loss from business or profession. So all these 3 things will be considered under this particular head of income. Next is capital gains. Capital gains means, for example, you had an asset and now you are transferring this asset. You are getting a profit. Okay. This is asset number 1. Second thing, you have asset number 2. Again, you transferred that particular asset and you had a gain or profit. All these profits or gain, whatever you earn, is considered as capital gains and it will come under this particular head of income, that is capital gains. Understood? So the main point is the transfer of asset. So when you transfer certain asset, if you get any profit, it will come under this particular head of income. Next one, the last head is income from other sources, which doesn't fall under the previous four heads, will come under this other sources head. That is interest in bank deposits. Suppose you have done a FD or recurring deposits or time deposits and you are earning certain interest on all this. That will also fall under income from other sources. Then dividends. You have invested in certain shares, so whatever the dividends you get, that will come under this particular income from other sources head. Then you have given your house for rent or lease, so that particular income whatever you have earned will come under this particular source. And insurance commission, so for the insurance what you have availed, there are certain commissions you have got, that is also comes under the income from other sources head. Then income from royalty, you know what is royalty, you have learned in the second semester in financial accounting subject about royalty. So whatever the income we have earned from that particular royalty will also come under this income from other sources. Hope you have understood about the heads of income. Totally, there are five heads of income. First one is income from salaries. Second one is income from household property. Third one is in profit and loss from business or profession. The fourth one is capital gains. And fifth one is income from other sources. The next is gross total income. Now, what is this gross total income? As I told you that there are totally five heads of income. Just now we saw five heads of income. Okay. First one is what? The first one is income from salary. For example, my income from salary is 50,000, you think. And income from household property, it is 1 lakh, you think. Next, profit and loss of business or profession is 20,000. Next, capital gains. Capital gains is 30,000, let me assume. The last one is income from other sources is 1 lakh rupees. Now, if I add all this, I will get 3 lakh rupees, isn't it? This 3 lakh rupees is known as gross total income. Means the aggregate of income computed, this is computed, sorry, the aggregate of income computed under various heads of income. This is very important point before making any deductions. So here I have not made any deductions. So deductions means you will get certain deductions. As I told you, if you have an home loan interest, then you will get a deduction. So such kind deductions before even deducting certain amount, whatever the income you have, that is known as gross total income. Then see here, we have income from salary, income from house property, profit and gains of business or profession, income from capital gains, and income from other sources. If you add all these things, if you add all these things, you will get gross total income. Then what is total income? It is gross total income after making certain deductions. Now I'll just give you the detailed example so you will understand about the gross total income and net total income. So we have the first head of income, that is the income from salary. Okay, I have earned the income from salary, that is 1 lakh rupees, let me assume. Second one, I have income from house property. Income from house property is 50,000. Okay, so here 1 second. So income from salary is 1 lakh rupees and this is 50,000. Then profit or loss from business and profession. From this, let me think that I have got 30,000. Next, income from capital gains. Let me assume 20,000 is it. Then income from other sources. So these are the 5 heads of income. Here let us assume that it is 50,000. If I add all these, then it will be 2,50,000. Okay, 2,50,000. 1 second. 2,50,000. This 2,50,000 is known as gross total income because I have not made any deductions. It is also known as GTI, gross total income. Now for this I will deduct 50,000. 50,000 is deduction. Means I can have a deduction. So the remaining 2 lakh remaining 2 lakh is considered as, sorry, total income is considered as total income because now see here 2,50,000 is before I have made any particular deductions, which is known as gross total income, and after deduction it is known as total income. Hope you have understood about all the 5 heads of income and what is gross total income and what is total income. I'll come back with the next video with various topics. Till then, keep watching all my videos, and if you have any doubt regarding any of my videos, please post your doubts in the comment section so that I can respond to your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.